Hello everyone. Today I'm starting unit 6 from Math Cambridge Primary Math Learner book for grade 3. So let's start measurement area and perimeter. Use a ruler and a pencil to draw a line of this length on a piece of paper 2 centimeter, 8 centimeter, between 5 and 6 centimeter. 5 and 6, 5.5, 5.2, 5.1 as you want. So you can use a ruler, a scale. On the ruler, you can see a centimeter and millimeter. So you can draw the line using a ruler. Partly more than 3 centimeter, but less than 14 centimeter. So 4 centimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeter. Less than 14 centimeter, you need to draw with the help of scale. Number 2, estimate and measure the length of your hand, your shoes, a pencil, and a book. So you're using a ruler, your hand, it may be 3 centimeter or 2 centimeter. Your shoes, 5 or also 2 centimeter. This one, 1.5 to 2 centimeter. Better a pencil, book. Also, in this unit, you will be learn more about measurement, kilometer, or unit used to measure the long distance, and perimeter is the distance around a space. Area is a space inside the perimeter. So let's start. This session will use measurement of length inside, including kilometers. You will use estimation and rounding when you measure. You will work with both regular and irregular shapes. Estimate and then measure the length of this line. Estimate and then measure. You start. Let's we are estimating this is a 9 or 10 centimeter. So we can write here 10, and when we are measuring with ruler or scale, it's 11 centimeter accurately. My estimate was quite close. When you are estimating, you do not need to be exact. Maybe you will say this is 12, maybe 9, because you are estimating. But it's nearest to the real value. When you are measuring, the measurement need to be exact. Because when we are estimating, we are not using ruler or scale, but when we are measuring exactly, accurately, so then we know the exact answer. Find a way to measure the length of your step with the partner. Choose a long distance to measure. Measure the distance in step. The dash is dash step long. Measure the length again using a meter stick. How many meters long is it? First, I tell you about meter, centimeter, and millimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 meter for long distance you can use equal to 100 centimeter. On the ruler you can find mostly a centimeter, 12, 15, or mostly 16 centimeter, a ruler or scale you have. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So in 1 centimeter, you can find on your ruler there are small 10 lines with a little distance. So these are millimeters. So when 10 millimeter complete, then it's written 1. Again, 10 lines completed, then it's written 2. Like this, on 12 or 16, mostly is scale you have in your home. So measure the distance in step. The dash is, so we can write here. So let's measure the room. Measure the distance in steps. So mostly one step, it's the half of a meter, or 50 centimeter or 40 centimeter. So less than, you can say, the half of a meter. So let's assume it's half of a meter. So the room is how many steps? Maybe 7, 6, 7, 8. So we just write here 7 steps long. So now we measure the length again using a meter stick. How many meters long is it? If it's 7, so it's becoming 3.5. 3.5. You're talking about meter 3.5. It's according to your room. Maybe it's bigger or smaller. So you can count the step and then you can write it here. The room is 3.5 meter long. Okay, are the number of steps and the number of meters the same? Explain why or why not. Obviously not, because one step equal to, or two step equal to 1 meter. Two step equal to 1 meter. So we are just, you can say, estimating. But when we measure with the scale, with the meter, so then we can accurately find the answer. Let's move to the next page. Around your classroom to find objects that are between a half meter and 1 meter long. Estimate the length of each object. Record the estimate, measure each object to the nearest centimeter. Okay, record the actual length. Okay, let me write. I just write two. Object. You can write door and estimate length. What's the length of a door in meter and in centimeter? Let's write in meter. So the door is nearly to 1.5 meter, nearly 1.5 meter. 1 meter or 1.5 meter. It's the point of the door. And actual length 1.3, possible 1.3 meter, maybe 1.5. If when you're using ruler and actually you're measuring the length, then you can find the accurate answer. Like this, you can write the table, the chair, the room, the whiteboard, the projector. Whiteboard, it's enough. So you can find in the class the window also. So you can write here and then you can first estimate and then find the actual length. Question number 3. What what would you use to measure these? Draw your answer in the table below. Distance between two continents, length of a seal, size of a saucepan, and Olympic marathon, and length of your foot. So I would use what you will need to use to measure these. So the distance between two continents, we can use kilometer, kilometer, and the length of a seal, it's meter enough, meter, and size of a saucepan, centimeter, and lumping marathon. So yes, we can use kilometer, and length of your foot, meter or centimeter, both correct. Centimeter, better. Okay, length of a rowing boat. I would use meter for rowing boat, and mobile phone, width of a mobile phone, centimeter, small thing. Length of a golf course, kilometer, for big. Yes, height of your bedroom door, meter. The width of a globe, unity, centimeters, small items. So we can use for different item, different measurement. So kilometer, you can see here for long distance or for long place or big place, we can use kilometer, then meter, then centimeter for small items like gloves and mobile phone width. Like this, we are using centimeter. Let's move page number 95. Use a ruler, draw a square with the side of 6 centimeter. Draw two more squares and two rectangles using different measurement. Write this measurement along the sides. So you can use with the help of ruler. You need to make the shape like this. Draw a square of with 6 centimeters. So this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides should be 6 centimeters. So the square four side should be equal. And just draw a square. So you need to use your ruler, and then you can make the accurate square, 6 centimeters all sides. And draw two more square and two rectangles. Now, obviously, there is no place, so you can use your notebook, and should be mentioned around about uh, how many centimeters the sides. Question number 5. On centimeter square paper, draw four different rectangles with a parameter of 24 perimeter of 24 centimeter. Estimate the area of each. Count the square to work out the area of each rectangle. Record what you find. Length, width, perimeter, estimate area, and the actual area using square unit. On a centimeter square paper, draw four different rectangles with an area of 20 square centimeter. And when you're drawing, you need to write their length, their width separately, and also their perimeter. Question number 6, same like this. You need to find using your ruler in centimeters answer. Question number 7, draw two lines to make this into a square. Estimate and then measure the length of one side. If you find the one side, the other side, obviously same. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, because one box this side equal to 1 centimeter. So these 4 centimeter. You can write here. obviously our estimate and measurement both same. Draw these three lines to make this into a square. So if you need to complete, you can complete it. You can find it. There are only four boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one 4, and this one also 4 centimeter. Draw three lines to make this into a square. Estimate and then measure the length of one side. So this one just covering one box into two boxes. So this is 2 centimeter. Also measure. Complete it only using two boxes. And also from here. Square. Like this. Here obviously you don't need a ruler. You can find, because one box and this one side equal to 1 centimeter, and if there are four boxes 4 centimeter, three boxes 3 centimeter. Question number 8. Use the tip to help you work out these conversion, sorry. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. This table like this should be in your mind. Kilometer equal 1000 meter, and 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal. Question number 8, part A, 7 meter. So if you know this one, it's very easy to calculate in finding the answer. 7 meter equal to 700 centimeter. 250 centimeter. You need to change into meter. So it's equal to 2.5, 2.5. We need to find the answer in meter. You can write 2.5 or 2.5, both answers. And 2.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Same like this. 350, the opposite of the second part. 350 centimeter. And 1.5 kilometer. It's equal to 500, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So half kilometer is the 500 meter. 750 meters, and this is 0.75, you can write, or 3 by 4. Both correct. 3 by 4 kilometer or 0.75. Both answer correct. 0.75 you can write, or write 3.4. Both correct. Kilometer. Okay, 1.4 kilometer equal to the half of 500. It's 250 meter. Question number 9. Circle the things that would be measured using kilometer. Okay, the distance between in kilometers, sorry, so in kilometer for long distance, obviously, between two continents, the height of a doorknob, the length of a football pitch, no, the width of a tower, the length of a train, the length of a whale, the height of a giraffe, the distance of marathon race. This one you can say, and the distance of a, yeah, this one also, the length of a long journey. This three we can use kilometer. Length, train, length for whale, and we are using a meter. It's enough. Length of giraffe, tower, not tower, towel. Okay. Draw or write three more things that would be measured using kilometer. So we can write here. And uh, also we can write the distance between two cities. We can also use in kilometers. We can also use for this one kilometer. Next question. Just erase it. Question number 10. Around the measurement of the length of a table, the length of the bed, the length measured by the tape, and the distance. Object table. Measurement length 108 centimeter. Okay, rounded measurement. How long is the coffee table to the nearest 10 centimeter? So 108 centimeter if nearest 10 is 110 centimeter. If it's nearest 100, it's 100 centimeter. When we are talking about nearest 10, which we just see the last two digits, 0 and 8. If the last digit at one's place value, it's bigger than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, then we will change the 0 into 1. So this is 8 nearest to 10. This is 0, 8, it's nearest to 10. If it's less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we don't need to change. We just write 100, but it's nearest to 10. And about 100 less than 50, the last two digit less than 50, so we no need to change the third 100 place value digit. So one as it is, we write, and then change, and the last two digit change into 0, 0, 100. So 108, the 108 it's nearest to 100. The second one, length to 75 centimeter. How long is the bed to the nearest 10? 75. Now it's bigger than 4. So the 10th place value it's changed. 7 change into 8. Every time when we are changing plus 1. So 7 change into 8. So 280. And nearest 100. So it's 75 last two digits. If it's bigger than 50, we change the third digit 100 place value. So it's bigger than 50. So 2 change into 3. So 300. And mentioned like this, a distance of 16 kilometer. This one right in meter, so this is we had 3 meter also. 1 meter equal to 100, so 300 centimeter equal to 3 meter. A distance of 16 kilometer, so round up to nearest 10 kilometer. So 16 nearest to 20 kilometer. If we are talking about nearest 10, and round down to the nearest 5 kilometer. Nearest to 5 kilometer, so you can see it's bigger than 5. Sorry, not bigger than 5. It's the 16, and we are talking about 5 kilometers, so our answer should be coming in 5. Like if it is 4, our answer is 5. If it is 1, 2, our answer is 0. If it is 6, 7, our answer is 5. If it is 9 or 8 or 8.5, more than 8.5, so it's 10. Like this, if it's 15, 14, our answer is 15. It is 15. And if it's 16, 17, our also answer is 15. But it's 7, 18, 19, then we will choose 20. But it's 16 nearest to 15. 15. This we finish 6.1. In the next video, I will continue with the 6.2. Before this, I just make this page. Think like a mathematician. Gas and Simons are snails. They live on a wall. They can travel only along the edge of the break. Each break is 30 centimeter long and 15 centimeter width. 30 centimeter like this and 15 like this. Okay. So let's want to visit Simons. First, calculate the shortest route. Keep to the edge of the break. Next, calculate two other routes. Yes, it's one is enough for you. So that the shortest route Silas can take while keeping to the edge of the break is to travel 1.5 length and 2 width. So write it. First of all, we know the length. It's 30. Well, 15 centimeter. For 30, it's the one complete and half. 1.5 its time. Okay, so we can write here 1/2. 1.5 actually. Plus complete 1.5. This we multiply with this and then plus it also. This is the width is 15. So there are two. So 15 multiplied to. This is 30. Uh, 75 centimeter. Yes. Like this we finish unit 6.1. Take care. Bye bye.